another video. In this video I'm gonna take the bus and go down to the famous town of Puerto Morelos. Now I'm gonna get on the colectivo buses that you can take all over Mexico here. It's a type of minibus and all you have to do is hop on it and go to your destination. I was on the bus in the east part of Mexico and the famous area of the Yucatan Peninsula, located just beneath the United States. It's open to the Caribbean Sea, not far from the island of Cuba. Puerto Morelos is located in between the famous towns of Cancun and Playa del Carmen. A 20-minute ride from either one of the cities will bring you in to Puerto Morelos. There is a big intersection where cars and buses coming from Cancun and Playa del Carmen can get into Puerto Morelos. The part of town next to the highway didn't seem very interesting since I had come to see the incredible water and beaches further down the road. Hello, I just came into Puerto Morelos. Here we have two different parts of town. One part of town is about 2 kilometers from the beach, and this is where I am at right now. So there's one road that goes all the way down to the beach. Actually, we have a 3-kilometer walk down to the beach, so 2 miles. There is only one straight road leading down to the beach, so I decided to walk, which would take me about 25 minutes. The road goes straight out to the boat marina, where you can go out on boat trips and snorkeling trips every single day. Puerto Morelos is the only beach town in Mexico I have seen that has barriers that keep the seaweed out. The seaweed usually comes in between June and November. You can see how the barriers keep the seaweed out of the beach area, which is really great. The best weather is between December and May. Hello and welcome to Puerto Morelos, a little small community. We have some small stores here and a total population of only 10,000 people. Here we have the beach area of Puerto Morelos. Lots of boats and really nice color of the ocean. Puerto Morelos is a fishing village with many reefs and dive sites just off of the coast. If you walk out on the main dock, you can pay the local people to take you out for fishing, snorkeling or diving. Welcome to the beach here in Puerto Morelos. It's a really nice day, but we do have some seaweed here on the beach. The best time to come here is between the months of December until May. That's when you have the best weather. The weather is still good now, but we are in the middle of the hurricane season. The hurricane season starts in June and ends in November. Now is a great time to go because you don't have so many tourists here. This town is located right in between two of the most famous tourist destinations here in Mexico, Cancun and Playa del Carmen, but it's much cheaper if you want to stay here, so it's actually a really good alternative. There are some really nice hotels and resorts by the beach in the area that will cost between $20 and up to a few $100s. Have the Puerto Morelos sign. Every town in Mexico has a sign, letters, and the name of the town. When the boats leave the main area, they go to the west part of town to exit the weed barriers. I had also come to this part of town to do some snorkeling. You can go snorkeling in the town, but if you want to see some corals, then you're better off going on a boat trip that takes you further out.
back from swimming. Now we have to fry the beef a little bit in the sun so we can get deeply tanned and fried. I walked just a bit out of town and there's seaweed just full on the whole beach. But we have some tractors over there cleaning it up.
Outside of the town beach, there are no barriers, so this is where the seaweed gathers, but tractors bring it away from the beach area. I had seen the nice town of Puerto Morelos, so it was time to head back home. In conclusion, I think it's a great town with cheaper hotel alternatives and a smart solution to keep the seaweed away. And it's not nearly as crowded as many other tourist destinations in Mexico.
It's time for some snacks, some bread and yogurt. They're very, very, very good. Oh, nom 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 nom. It's almost too hot. I never thought I would complain and say it's too hot. But frying is actually much better than being too cold. I haven't been cold in the past couple of months, so that's perfect. Now I'm gonna head back home, but thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please leave it a like and post a comment. And also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and also post a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.